Good morning, busy bees. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common challenge many of us face, finding time for a nutritious breakfast on those hectic mornings. That's right. We're diving into the world of 5 quick and healthy breakfast recipes for busy mornings. We know how precious those early hours can be, so we've got you covered with recipes that are not only delicious but also packed with the nutrients you need to kickstart your day. So, let's jump right into these breakfast solutions that will have you energized and ready to conquer the day. Overnight chia pudding. First up, we have a breakfast option that practically prepares itself while you sleep: overnight chia pudding. Combine chia seeds with your choice of milk, a touch of honey or maple syrup, and a dash of vanilla extract. Mix it all up, pop it in the fridge, and wake up to a creamy and satisfying pudding loaded with fiber, omega-3s, and protein. Greek yogurt parfait. Next, let's talk about the classic Greek yogurt parfait. This beauty is as simple as layering Greek yogurt with your favorite granola and fresh fruits like berries, bananas, and mangoes. The yogurt provides protein and probiotics, while the fruits and granola offer a burst of vitamins, minerals, and a satisfying crunch. Avocado toast with a twist. For a savory option, we're giving the beloved avocado toast a delightful twist. Spread ripe avocado on whole grain toast and top it with a poached or scrambled egg. Drizzle a touch of olive oil, sprinkle red pepper flakes for a kick, and there you have it, packed with healthy fats, protein, and complex carbs. Quick oatmeal boeth. Oatmeal doesn't have to be time-consuming. Opt for quick cooking oats and prepare a nourishing bowl in just a few minutes. Mix oats with your choice of milk and microwave for a minute. Then, add sliced bananas, a handful of nuts, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. This warm and hearty bowl offers fiber, antioxidants, and a satisfying crunch. Peanut butter banana smoothie. Last but certainly not least, we have a peanut butter banana smoothie that's as quick as it is tasty. Blend a ripe banana, a spoonful of peanut butter, Greek yogurt, a splash of milk, and a handful of spinach for an extra nutrient boost. This smoothie is a protein powerhouse with vitamins, potassium, and a touch of natural sweetness. There you have it. 5 quick and healthy breakfast recipes for busy mornings. These recipes prove that a nutritious breakfast doesn't have to be time-consuming. If you enjoyed these ideas, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more quick and healthy recipes. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, even on the busiest mornings, a little preparation can lead to a big boost in energy and well-being. Take care and have a fantastic day.